guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, we will discussion and import topic in the modern management, practicums in the organizational change and the change process. Change in the inevitable for organization with here due to technological development, business competition, or external performance demands. However, change will not be immune with the role of the whole meanings in the work and students process. However, it is important for us to understanding how the practicals of organizational change are and how the change process is part of the systematic organizational change in the process of training from an early stage to a new one planned to increase organization efficiency. Free change can occur in the organization structure, work structure, system, technology, or human resource behavior. The primary goal of the organizational change in the ends the organization to add to and dynamic efficiency and relation competitive. However, conflicts of the general resentment, understanding, and unease among organization members. This the clear error of the completion becomes cultural innovation that change in not only will plan but also are set and implemented by all members of the organization. Organization change practical at the individual or group, whole plan and the activity role in dynamics, managing and overseeing the change process. The practical can be internal or external on the two organizations. Example of internal practicums include organization leaders, management, and organizational development team. Meanwhile, external practicums can be management concludes or organization change aspects. The primary text of the change practicals include analysis, the need for change, development and clear strategy, communication, the change vision, and helping employer at the need and new condition. The scope of the change in generality influenced by the context, leadership, and communication skill of the department. Organizational change process and general carried on the start and the end plan members. One value are the approach in the change model with employer the approach of the preparation, implementation, and relationship of the change. The same process being with annuals on the need for with the organization records problem of opportunity. The next strategy is the pre-planning with the goals, strategies, and step for change are closely formulated. Next, the organization enter the implementation phase with improved implementation charts in daily preparation. In this stage, the role of practicals is crucial in meaning, research, and education efficiently communication. The finally, strike in evaluation and reinforce and swing then change through the becomes part of the organization culture and system. This model was population with change management figures and Johnny Potter, Hodge explained in the implementation of the learnings and apply strategy of change. In practice, organization change do not always process smoothly. Change that occur asset culture employer resistance, that of leadership support, effective communication, and the factor organization culture to change. This where the strategy role of the company is crucial. Practicums must be able to add on the change again how the leader be employer, building trust and implement implementers in the change process. For more Practicants also need influence and the time with the organization long-term vision and goals. With the right approach, can become not only an application but also an opportunity to improve organization performance and quality. In conclusion, it can be concluded that organization change is a complex process and requires the active role of the companies that practice. With proper management can host the petition that leads to conflict and failures. How we education the role of the practicants in the implementation becomes process systematic. Orientation can also goals and efficient leads and good goals. We hope this video helped you understand the impact of the practicants in the organizational case and the case process itself. Thank you for watching and see you the next time. Bye bye.